DJI Avata 2 is a groundbreaking FPV drone that redefines the immersive flying experience. With significant upgrades in imaging, safety, and battery life, it's the perfect choice for adrenaline junkies and cinematic enthusiasts alike. The Avata 2 offers a comprehensive package for FPV enthusiasts. Its 4K 60 FPS HDR video capabilities and 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor deliver stunning aerial footage, even in low-light conditions. The built-in propeller guard and DJI O4 low-latency video transmission ensure safe and reliable flights, while the extended flight time of up to 23 minutes allows you to explore more of your surroundings. For an immersive and intuitive flying experience, pair the Avata 2 with the new DJI Goggles 3 and DJI RC Motion 3, which enable control through head and wrist movements. Additionally, the Avata 2 offers a range of innovative features, including AR cursor for precise navigation, Real View PP for a clear view of your surroundings, one-push flips and rolls for acrobatic maneuvers, and 46 gigabytes of internal storage for plenty of footage. Whether you're a seasoned FPV pilot or just starting out, the DJI Avata 2 is a must-have drone. The Insta360 Sphere is a revolutionary drone accessory that allows you to capture stunning 360-degree footage from the sky. With its endless reframing possibilities, you can easily create dynamic and engaging aerial content that will captivate your audience. The Insta360 Sphere captures high-quality 360-degree footage at 5.7K resolution and 30 frames per second, ensuring crisp and detailed visuals. Its industry-leading flow-state stabilization technology compensates for camera shake and movement, resulting in smooth and stable footage. Add excitement to your videos by seamlessly incorporating thrilling rolls and turns, creating FPV-style shots that will leave your viewers amazed. Designed for quick and easy installation with compatible drones like the Mavic Air 2 and Air 2S, the Sphere features an ultra-secure locking mechanism for a stable and reliable connection. The included AI-powered editing suite simplifies the process of editing and reframing your footage, allowing you to create stunning videos in less time. Capture multiple angles and perspectives in a single flight, giving you endless creative possibilities. The Sphere's seamless design and long battery life, up to 48 minutes, make it a convenient and reliable accessory for your drone. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a groundbreaking drone that sets new standards for aerial photography and videography. Its triple camera system, featuring a Hasselblad camera and dual telecameras, offers unparalleled versatility and creative freedom. The Mavic 3 Pro's Hasselblad camera, equipped with a 24mm 4x3 CMOS sensor, delivers stunning images with exceptional detail and color accuracy. Its large sensor size and wide aperture allow for capturing stunning low-light footage. The dual telecameras, a 166mm telecamera and a 70mm medium telecamera, provide a versatile range of focal lengths, allowing you to capture subjects from a distance without compromising image quality. The 166mm telecamera is ideal for capturing distant subjects, while the 70mm medium telecamera offers a more versatile focal length for a variety of shooting scenarios. The Mavic 3 Pro is also packed with advanced features that enhance your flying and shooting experience. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing ensures safe and reliable flights, while DJI O3 Plus 15km HD video transmission delivers smooth and stable footage. Focus Track allows you to automatically track subjects, making it easier to capture dynamic shots. With a maximum flight time of 43 minutes, you can explore more of your surroundings without worrying about battery life. The Potensic Atom is a lightweight and portable drone that packs a powerful punch. Weighing only 249 grams, it's small enough to fit in a jacket pocket, making it ideal for taking on adventures. Despite its compact size, the Atom delivers impressive performance, capturing stunning 4K 30 FPS video and 12 megapixel photos. The Potensic Atom offers a combination of high-quality imaging and reliable performance. Equipped with a 1x3-inch CMOS Sony sensor, it captures detailed and vibrant images. The 3-axis brushless gimbal ensures smooth and stable footage, even in windy conditions. With two intelligent 2500 mAh batteries, the Atom provides up to 32 minutes of flight time, allowing you to explore more of your surroundings without worrying about battery life. The drone's OptiVision positioning and level 5 wind resistance ensure accurate and stable flight, even in GPS-denied environments. The Atom's fast and agile performance, with a maximum speed of 16 miles per second in just 2.8 seconds, makes it ideal for dynamic and exciting aerial shots. The intuitive controls and user-friendly interface make the Atom easy to fly, even for beginners. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a compact and lightweight drone that packs a powerful punch. Weighing under 249 grams, it's small enough to fit in your pocket, making it ideal for taking on adventures. Despite its size, the Mini 4 Pro offers impressive imaging capabilities, thanks to its new image processing platform and 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor. The Mini 4 Pro captures stunning 4K 60fps HDR video and 4K 100fps slow-motion footage, allowing you to create cinematic and engaging content. Its 48-megapixel effective pixels ensure crisp and detailed images, even in low-light conditions. The Mini 4 Pro also offers versatile shooting options, such as true vertical shooting for portraits and social media content, and hyperlapse mode for creating time-lapse videos with smooth and stable motion. Advanced features like DJI O4 transmission for a maximum range of 20 kilometers, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, active track 360-degree with manual mode, and advanced return to home ensure safe and reliable flights. The Evo Max 4T by Autel Robotics. This drone is a favorite among professional cinematographers for its exceptional camera system that includes a 4K UHD camera. The Evo Max 4T's primary payload offers a comprehensive suite of imaging capabilities, including an 8K zoom camera, a 4K low-light wide-angle camera, and a thermal camera. The onboard Autel autonomy engine, powered by advanced sensors, enables the drone to perceive objects down to 0.5 inches in size and navigate autonomously. Its imaging capabilities are further enhanced by its 8K resolution with 10x optical zoom and a hybrid 160x zoom, allowing it to capture clear details on targets up to 1.24 miles away. For enhanced connectivity and communication, the Evo Max 4T features AMesh 1.0 mesh networking, enabling autonomous drone-to-drone communication. It includes a thermal camera for night vision and heat detection, hypersensitive AI for object recognition and tracking, a 42-minute flight time, hot swappable batteries for continuous operation, and a 14.4-mile transmission range. The DJI Air 3 is a groundbreaking drone that introduces the first dual primary camera system to the Air series. This innovative design combines a 1x1.3-inch CMOS wide-angle camera and a 1x1.3-inch CMOS 3x medium telecamera into a sleek and compact body. By using the same sensor size but different focal lengths, the Air 3 delivers consistent image quality and offers more dynamic imaging possibilities. The dual primary camera system of the Air 3 provides unparalleled versatility, allowing you to capture stunning wide-angle shots and zoom in on distant subjects without compromising image quality. The 4K 100fps slow-motion capabilities enable you to create cinematic and engaging footage, while the DJI RC2 remote controller offers intuitive and precise control. With a maximum flight time of 46 minutes, the Air 3 allows you to explore more of your surroundings without worrying about battery life. The O4 HD video transmission with a 20-kilometer range ensures reliable and stable footage, even in challenging conditions. Advanced features like Active Track 5.0 for intelligent object tracking and omnidirectional obstacle sensing provide safe and efficient flights. So, there you have it, the 7 best 4K drones for cinematography. Which drone are you most excited to try out? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and gadget rankings.